Hey, starting a vlog a little bit late today. We're going to pick up mom, right? Let's go, let's go.
Wait,
An ant?
Yep.
An ant!
Yeah, what the
Oh no, what are we gonna do now? There is an ant on the loose.
No, okay.
What? Don't touch it. That's a worm. Yeah. Is that your blankie?
Yeah.
What do you find?
Look.
A wasp. Don't step on it. You don't want to get it mad.
Okay.
It's warm. You actually can feel the humidity today. It's really, really warm. Go ahead, honey. I also want to give a big thanks to all of you guys that wish me happy birthday. It really meant a lot to me. Oops, sorry, almost crashed. I never thought that I would meet so many nice people on YouTube. Thank you guys. So I want to give a big thanks to all of you guys who wish me happy birthday. I really appreciate it. You guys are great. I love the community and I love the friends that I am making on this community. You guys are great. Thank you so much once again. Gonna cry. No, not really. Mira, nena, we are home. Money?
It's my money.
You found some coins? Okay, you wanna keep them?
My money, ours.
Let me see, whatever coin she finds. Okay. She always wants to keep them. Let's go, baby. Daddy have to go to work. Can I help you? Hello? No. Jump. Good job. I guess that that humidity was because it was gonna rain. It just started raining, but it's weird. It didn't smell like rain. You know, like you are able to smell when it's gonna rain. Like you can smell the water. I don't know. It's probably just me, but I can feel that, you know, that rain is approaching. I don't know, don't mind me. If you know what I'm talking about, let me know. Leave it in the comments.